Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge clips in CapCut. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, import your videos in CapCut and drag it to the timeline. So now, after dragging the first video, we will drag the second video into the timeline like this. Now to merge these two clips, on the right top side, you will find a small window. Here you will see this cutout option. Tap on this cutout and here you will find this chroma key if there is green screen. Click this pencil and then click on this green part of the video. Increase the strength and shadow and then smaller size and paste it where you want. So as you can see, our two layers are combined. Select these two, right click and here you will find this create compound. Just simply tap on this create compound. It is alternative of merge clip. Now as you can see, our clips are merged now. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.